Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris and Jay, one of my neighborhood best customer. He found me on YouTube actually while I'm doing a Judder, and today we are going to do a Judder quote for his car, Infiniti. What year is it?
2013 JX35.
And how you found this place?
I found you guys on YouTube.
Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, share, and like, and let's go together see if we can fix this problem. Judder code. How is coming to you? This Judder code. The check engine light is on. First, hold this computer. I'm gonna try to video us. We're gonna set up. This is the CD which we have the file. I'm gonna put it here to transfer the file, and I'm gonna turn this on. Connect our USB here. You close the trunk?
Yeah, I closed it so you get
okay,
clear sound.
Here. And now I'm gonna enter in it. This is the tools that we use. Nissan, for Renault, Nissan and Mitsubishi interface, which is working fine, connected to OBD2. Here we're gonna go look for the file. How you know your file number? If this car here, the Judder just come on because I don't know what happened, battery dying, or he forced the car the snow day. He come up. Now we're gonna reset it. If it's come, maybe while you maneuvering on the snow, the speed inside the transmission change, maybe like the slippery, and then create this. The computer picked it up, and you will not go away. That P17F1 or 170 Judder code will not go away unless you have to relearn it. You reset it. If you reset this one here for your original transmission and come back again, that means further repair need to be done inside the transmission. The computer is seeing some kind of slippery. If you want to know what kind of software, you're gonna go to the transmission. The safety neutral switch has the number and the software that you have. The dealer, when you buy brand new, it comes with a CD. And that CD is not for sale. It's coming with a brand new transmission. So you have to figure out how you can get this software and write it back. I do have some software here. As you see, you have to go near, or you come near to the... Yes, you must come near. I do have some CDs here, some file. I already have the name of the file. So if I can go inside, that Infiniti, what? Let me see this one.
Infiniti JX.
Yeah, this is not the number, but I have the file in the database. I'm gonna take the file and put it outside, because if you click on the file, you will lose it forever. So you have to take it and keep it in another location. This is the file I'm looking for. You see? So I'm gonna click on this file, and you can save it too. This file here. Copy. I want to look for any place that I can get this file, put it in the desktop. First, let me make a new folder. And then I will put M just to know. Open it. Paste. I won't have this file to be here, because if you open one file and you lost it, you will not get it back again. I want to put another one who's outside. Is there? Okay. So now I'm gonna close this. Let me open the database. I'm recording the video screen now. I will go to Nissan Console 3 Plus. This is for Nissan, Datsun, and Infiniti. Green, that means connection is okay. I will do diagnosis first for us to know what is there in the transmission. Sometimes the computer asks you to choose the car. Please subscribe, share, and like, and let our platform grow. Okay, it takes time before it get communication. I want to show you what code you have. This is code here, and this code, if you try to erase it, it will not go away. See, it never go away. Finish, stay there. So what you need to do, you click on work support and write IP characteristic replacement automatic CVT, and you have to start. Okay, as soon as you go here, it asks you to go and look for the file. So I'm gonna come here and look for that file from any place here. Slowly take your time and look for it. You will get it here. I save it in another place. This is the file. Open it. As soon as you open it, no, that's okay, you could. As soon as you open it, you have to do a couple of stuff. First, come here. Turn the engine off. It's a hazard light, we're gonna stop it. Where is your key?
I got it here somewhere.
Give me the key, so ignition have to be on.
Somewhere, I don't know where it's at.
Will it drop?
Yeah, I dropped it here before.
If you don't get it, we cannot work. Take your time and get it. So now what we're gonna do, we have to follow the step that they tell us. Okay, here is the key. I'm gonna leave the key here. Turn the key on. Okay, it doesn't want to take it, so I'm gonna bring the key near. Now ignition is on. Sometimes if the battery is weak, it will not pick up the key. So now we're gonna click next, and there is something you have to do. First, engine must be stopped, and then you have to push the brake and the gas together. So engine is stop, everything is stop. I'm gonna push the brake, the car doesn't move. Push the gas all the way to the end. Put the car in reverse. Got it? And now start. It say, okay now. Put this back. Move your gas. Release it. Okay, you see, turn ignition off. 2 seconds. Turn the ignition on now. 1, 2. I'm gonna touch it again. Now it's gonna ask you to go next. So you're gonna click next. Ignition on, engine not running, shift in park, right. Ignition on, shift is in park, engine not running, right. Data writing complete successfully, complete. Here you're gonna click end. Now, oh, let me put the window up. Now we are going back to diagnose result. It's supposed to change. Now let me see. Erase. Execute. Close. Done. Written is good. This thing here.
I need it.
Okay. Okay, this thing, it happened as a result of, okay, I see the check engine light on. Let me see, maybe we never checked the engine. Transmission will have no code now. I gotta go to engine, maybe have some code on the engine before, because we did not check.
I think it's a cat.
Oh, the catalytic converter? Did you try to put that cat cleaner in it?
I actually ordered it.
Yeah, put cat cleaner on it. fill the gas tank, drive it 2-3 times, it will go away.
Okay.
Yeah, it will go. It can clean it for you, because at the end, if you have tools, you can take the catalytic converter and wash it with the soap and water. It's just dust.
I saw that on YouTube.
Yeah, dust and this one. So just if it's clean, it's just like air conditioning filter in a home. You clean it out and everything good. So that's one step. Clean it good, be sure it's clean, and then you will be okay. Yeah, you hear catalytic converter, P0420. So this is need another intention. I will erase it. So at least you're gonna start your day correctly. Close. Green, green, green. So we did everything. Hopefully it's gonna be okay. If you see there is snow, do not force your transmission. Also, if you are not sure what's gonna happen again, and if you have a car like this, I see people putting mechanical insurance and saving them some money here and there. Yeah. Let's see how much gonna cost and how it is gonna help you. Other than that, we don't have anything to tell you. Thank you for coming to visiting us.
Absolutely, guys, come and visit this guy. He's super knowledgeable. He takes care of you, and he's here at all hours. It's 8 o'clock in the morning now, New York
so
time.
Beautiful the weather.
It's a day, as you can tell. New York weather.
Yeah, it's here. Now, even though it was snow and accumulated, but it looked good, beautiful. Be safe, and thank you for watching. Please share and like, and see you in another video, and comment. And also thank you for helping the page. We already reached 6,000 subscribers. I'm getting, when I start first, I'm getting 3 subscribers a month. Now I'm getting 30 a day.
Wow.
25, 30 a day.
See?
Yeah, so people are all over there.
Let's make the community grow.
Yeah, Argentina, Africa, China, Ethiopia, Africa, Arabic country, general, all of them, Europe, Pakistan, India.
It's a blessing.
I'm getting called for all over. Hey, what I'm trying to say is, if I can fix it or I can give you an idea, okay. Nobody is perfect. I don't have all the knowledge, but here is for us to share. If you have an idea and I'm not able to answer it, please just give us the answer, put it there. Someone will pick it up and it will help. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video.